Say Selenium class 5 Java environment setup. First chapter index. After that, I will discuss yesterday pending topics. First one, uses of Java. General topic, uses of Java. Next, Java syntax. Java syntax. Next, Java environment setup. Java environment setup. And write Java program. First Java program. Okay. Next, yesterday pending. Yesterday what we discussed, overview. Overview of Java programming. Java for Selenium. Java for Selenium. Ah. 12th topic, Java object-oriented programming system concepts. Java OOPS. Java OOPS. We discussed 4 fundamentals of OOPS. First one, inheritance. Inheritance. Second one, polymorphism. Polymorphism. Next, third one, abstraction. Abstraction. Next, fourth one, encapsulation. Encapsulation. See, Java OOPS concept, inheritance, some use in our test automation. Polymorphism, limited use. Abstraction and encapsulation, no use. Generally, developers use those concepts. I will explain. First one, inheritance. Java inheritance. Inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object. See, inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object. Parent object. Next, using inheritance, we can create classes that are built in upon existing classes. Using inheritance, just a minute. using inheritance, we can create classes that built in upon existing classes. Next, when we inherit from an existing class, then we can reuse methods and fields. Fields means variables. When we inherit from an existing class, then we can reuse methods and fields from the parent class. See, when we inherit an existing class, then we reuse methods and fields from the parent class. Okay. Next, Java supports two types of inheritance. One is single inheritance, another is multi-level inheritance. Java supports one is single inheritance. Example, class B. Using extends keyword, we can inherit classes. Extends keyword. Java keywords are small letters. Extends class A. Observe Sanjita. In this scenario, which one is parent, class A or class B? Sanjita. Okay. Sita.
Class A, sir.
Class A is parent. Class B is child. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, second one, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Example, class B extends class A. Next, class C extends class B. Say in this scenario, class A is parent, class B is child, class C is subchild. In another way, class C is child, class B is parent, class A is grandparent. Any confusion, Sita?
No, sir.
Just a minute. Class C. Next, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. For example, just a minute. For example, class B extends class A, class B extends class A, next again class B extends class Z. Observe this combination, Mahabub. Mahabub, observe this combination.
Yes, please.
Class A, parent. Class B, child. Next, again class Z, another parent. Two different parents. It is not acceptable. Getting this point? Confusion.
So it means like class B and class Z. So these are like multi-level, right?
Yes, this is multiple inheritance. Multi-level means this one, second one. Multi-level, class A, class B, class C, all are different classes. Multiple means same class, different parents. Suppose class B, class 1 is parent, again class B, class Z is parent. Confusion.
Okay.
Observe Sanjita. B, polymorphism. Polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Performing tasks in different ways. Polymorphism derived from two Greek words. Poly means many. Morphs means forms or ways. So polymorphism means many ways. Say performing tasks in many ways. See, polymorphism derived from two Greek words. One is poly. Poly means many. Next, morphs. Morphs means, just a minute. Morphs means forms or ways. So polymorphism means many ways. We have two types of polymorphism in Java. Two types of polymorphism in Java. One is compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism. Another is runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism. Another name, compile time polymorphism or method overloading. Method overloading, single word. Next, runtime polymorphism or method overriding. Method overriding is a brief introduction about polymorphism. Can you tell me, Chaitanya, what is polymorphism and types of polymorphism?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. Polymorphism is derived from Greek word poly means many, morphs means forms.
Good.
And it's performing tasks in many ways, sir. Polymorphism.
Good. Two types of polymorphism in Java. What are they?
Compile time polymorphism or method overloading. And the other one is runtime polymorphism or method overriding.
Good. Good. Next, third one, abstraction. See, in our test automation, abstraction is no use. Abstraction. Abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing functionality to the user. In another way, it shows important things to the user and hides internal details. Example, sending email. We send email, but we don't know about internal process of sending email, only external process. Abstraction focuses on what the object does instead of how it does. Okay? Abstraction. Abstraction is a process of hiding implementation details and showing functionality to the user. Next, in another way, it shows important things to the user. It shows important things to the user and hides internal details. Next, example, sending email. Next, abstraction focuses on what the object does instead of how it does. Abstraction focuses on what the object does instead of how it does. Abstraction can be achieved in two ways. Abstraction can be achieved in two ways. One is abstract class. Abstract class 1 to 100% abstract. What is this 1 to 100%? That we will discuss in practical chapter. Next, interfaces, through interfaces. Interfaces 100% abstract. 100% abstract. This is a brief introduction about abstraction. Can you tell me, Sanjita, what is abstraction?
Yes, sir. Abstraction is a process of hiding implementation details
Good.
and showing functionality to the user. And it shows important things to the user and hides internal details.
Good.
And then abstraction focuses on what the object does instead of how it does.
Good. Next, abstraction can be achieved in two ways. What are the two ways?
One is abstract class and the other one is interfaces.
Good. Next, fourth one. This is also not used in our Selenium testing. Just know the concept. Encapsulation. 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 It is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. General example: capsule, mixer of several medicines. It provides control over the data. Usually developers, Java developers use this concept for security purpose. Abstraction is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. Example, general example: capsule. It is mixed of several medicines. Next, what is the advantage of encapsulation? It provides control over the data. Say these are the important Java concepts for Selenium. Just one conclusion. What are the uses of Java concepts in Selenium testing? First, uses. Comments. Conclusion. Kamal, can you react?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Can we use comments in our Selenium test cases? It is useful or not?
Yeah, these are useful. If we are using comments, it will make the code more readable.
Yes.
And secondly, we can
comments. We use comments in our Selenium test cases. Okay, in order to explain the test case, sometimes disable some code from execution. Comments we use. Next, modifiers. Already I told we have two types of modifiers: access modifiers and non-access modifiers. In access modifiers, most of the time, 99%, 100%, we use public modifier. Why? Ours is teamwork. We share our resources, so we use public modifier. private modifier, next protected, default, developers use. Next, data types. Observe Chaitanya, can we use this data types in our Selenium testing?
Sir, we have to declare.
Yes, we use data types in our Selenium testing. We work with some data. We work with data in our Selenium testing. So definitely we use data types, integer, string, etc. Next, variables. Variables, Sita, variables.
Yes, sir.
In order to store the data, we use variables. Next, operators. Operators, Mahabub. Operators. Shall we use operators in our Selenium test cases?
I'm not sure. I think
sure.
so.
We use in order to perform arithmetic comparison and logical operations. In order to conduct arithmetic comparison and logical operations, we use operators in our test cases. Any confusion?
Good.
Next, control flow statements. Control flow statements. We have 3 types of control flow statements, Subramaniam. 3 types of control flow. What are the 3 types?
If statement.
If statement is one of the type, but basically we have 3 categories or 3 types of statements, control flow statements. If statement is sub 1. Sita, 3 types of control flow statements in Java programming, not only in Java. You take any programming, you can find 3 types of control flow statements. What are they?
Conditional,
Good.
loop, and branch.
Good. Conditional statements are decision-making statements. We use conditional statements in our test cases to insert verification points and for error handling. Next,
Loop,
loop statements. Loop statements. For repetitive execution, we use loop statements. Example, for data-driven testing, we use loop statements. Next, branching statements, limited use or no use. Limited use or no use, but a return statement is important in branching statements. We use a return statement in user-defined methods. Remaining break, continue, limited use or no use, but return statement is important. Next, string handling. Strings. Observe, Mahabub, strings. Shall we use strings in our test cases?
Yes.
Yes, strings are important for our Selenium testing. Whenever we read data from application objects, then computer program considers the data as string type data. We use strings. Next, arrays. Arrays, limited use. Whenever you want to read tabular format data, rows and columns, then you can use arrays. Next, IO operations. IO operations, Kamal. Shall we use?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Frequently we use IO operations. Display, for displaying the output, we use output operation for reading the input from a keyboard or mouse. Next, reading data from files, we use IO operations. Next, exception handling. Exception handling. Chaitanya, shall we use or not this concept in our Selenium test cases?
Yes, sir, we have to use
Yes,
them, sir.
we use this exception handling for handling runtime errors, not syntax errors, runtime errors. Next, inheritance, limited use. You want to reuse the inherit means reuse. If you want to reuse the classes, you can use. Next, polymorphism, limited use or no use. Next, abstraction, no use in our test automation. Yes, Subramaniam, I forgot that one. That is important. Good observation. Next, encapsulation, limited, no use. Next, I forgot one important one. Subramaniam observed. Methods. Methods. We have two types of methods in Java. Built-in methods. Built-in. Next, user-defined. User-defined. Yes, we use built-in and user-defined methods in our test cases, especially user-defined methods for code reusability. This is the brief introduction about usage of Java in Selenium testing. Any queries, Subramaniam? Raise query.
No.
What about you, Mahabub? Raise query.
I'm good.
Welcome. Now come to mainstream. Java environment setup. Java environment setup. See, in this chapter, we are going to discuss three topics. Primary topic is Java environment setup only. Next, two small topics are there. What are the topics? First one, uses of Java. Actually, Java was not created for test automation. We are using Java for test automation with Selenium, but it is not the primary purpose of Java. What is the purpose of Java? Java is used to develop desktop applications. Example, Acrobat Reader. Next, web applications. Example, Snapdeal.com developed in Java. Next, enterprise applications like banking applications, insurance applications, ERP applications, etc. Next, mobile applications. Next, embedded systems. What is embedded system? Inserting software components into devices, electronic devices or mechanical devices. For example, telephone coin box, embedded system. Next, lift. Lift is mechanical device, embedded system. Inserting some software components into devices, that is embedded system. Observe, Kamal, what is embedded system? Do you hate this term, embedded software?
I heard it for first time, sir.
What is embedded system? Now I explained.
Can you re-explain?
Okay. Sanjita, what is embedded system?
So, inserting software concept to device.
Inserting software components into devices, electronic devices or mechanical devices. Examples also explained. Suppose
Yes,
telephone
sir.
coin box, that is electronic device. Next, lift. Lift is mechanical device. Okay, any problem, Kamal?
Got it, sir.
Okay, cool. Smart cards, games applications, game software, next scientific applications, etc. Observe, Java is used to develop desktop applications. Example, Acrobat Reader. Next, web applications. Next, enterprise applications like banking, insurance, ERP, etc. applications. Next, mobile software applications. Next, embedded systems, embedded software, embedded systems. Next, smart cards. Next, games applications. Next, scientific applications, etc. Our purpose is test automation. It is secondary purpose for Java. Primary purpose is software development. Secondary purpose is test automation in our scenario. See, automated testing or test automation. In this scenario with Selenium. With other tools also, Java can be used. For example, APM. In our scenario, Java can be used with Selenium tool. This is about uses of Java. Can you tell me, Subramaniam, uses of Java?
Sorry, it was in mute. Hello?
Tell me, Subramaniam, I can hear you.
Use desktop applications, mobile applications, embedded systems, enterprise applications, and gaming applications, smart cards. Yeah, these are the
These are primary uses. What is the secondary use?
automation.
Test automation. In our scenario with Selenium. Okay, na Kamal, shall we move to next topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, why you are saying in dull mood? Ask me.
No, sir. I'm good, sir. I'm good.
Okay, cool. Say. Next. Java syntax. Syntax means system grammar. First one, Java is case sensitive. Java is a case sensitive language. For example, VB script. VB script is not case sensitive, means no difference between upper and lower case letters in VB script, but Java is case sensitive. Just a minute. First one, Java is a case sensitive language. What is the meaning? Difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase values. You can use uppercase values also for declaring variables, etc. But try to use same values for entire program. Suppose declaration time small letter, usage time another letter, that is not acceptable. Java is case sensitive. Difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase values. Next one, note. All Java keywords are small letters. Note. All Java keywords are small letters. Example, if, don't write capital if, for, public, main, static, etc. Are you following this concept, Sita?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, ask me, no problem. Next, first letter of class name. In Java classes only, we write our programs. First letter of class name should be in uppercase. First letter of class name should be in uppercase. After first letter, you can write small letters. For example, sample. It is incorrect. Next, sample. Correct. Suppose Selenium testing. It is also correct. Next, third rule, method name should start with lowercase. Method names should start with lowercase. First letter lowercase. Kamal, no space. No space is not allowed, Kamal. Single word. Any problem?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Suppose sample. Incorrect. Space is not allowed. Only single word. If it is small word or lengthy word, single word only. Method name should start with lowercase. After first letter, you can write uppercase if required. Next, one more important thing. Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Java program file name, I will show example in practical. Java program file name should exactly match with Java class name. Next, fifth one, every statement, every Java statement or step, both are synonyms. Every Java statement or step should end with semicolon symbol. See, every statement or step, try to ask, don't type, reading and answering difficult. Who is asking?
It's me, sir, Kamal.
Tell me, what is your problem?
Can you give an example for the fourth point, sir? Java program file name should exactly match with class name.
What I told in practical,
Okay.
session, I will show.
Okay, that will be good, sir. Thank you.
I already told that one. If we use Eclipse, you no need to focus on that one. Eclipse saves your program with class name only. If we use Notepad, you need to concentrate on that. Anyhow, in practical session, I will show.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Every statement or step should end with semicolon. Should end with semicolon. Colon. Observe Sita. Int A equals to 100. Int B equals to 200. Observe the first step. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect, sir.
Incorrect. Incorrect. Second one, correct.
Yep.
Second one, correct. Next, one important one. Java program execution starts from main method, that is built-in method, which is mandatory in every Java program. I will show in practical session. See, Java program execution starts from main method, which is mandatory for every Java program. Every Java program. Next, code blocks, conditional block, loop block, method block, etc. enclosed with curly braces. Normal statement should end with semicolon. Code blocks enclosed with curly braces. Code blocks, block of code, that I will show in practical. Code blocks, example, conditional block, loop block, next method block, etc. Enclosed with curly braces. Next, Java supports explicit declaration of data types. Java supports explicit declaration of data types. What is the meaning it? We need to define the data type before declaring variables, constants, some methods. Observe in Java, int SNO is variable name, int is data type, next 1, 2, 3 is value, semicolon is syntax. It is correct. Explicit declaration of variable, explicit declaration of data type. Variable also, both are combined, but difference is there. In this scenario, explicit declaration of data type. Correct. Suppose char a equals to single quote. This is Java syntax. Suppose Z. Next, Boolean. This is one data type. Boolean is logical. True or false, like suppose true. True is a Java reserved word. Okay. For all these are correct declaration. Explicit declaration of data type. Explicit declaration of data types. Suppose first variable SNO, integer type. Second variable A, character type. Third variable Y, Boolean type. Suppose if you declare SNO equals to 1, 2, 3, this is incorrect. Suppose VB script, just a small comparison. In VB script, no explicit declaration of data types, only implicit declaration. See, in Visual Basic Scripting Edition, VB script, we use dim statement for declaring any variable. Dim, dimension, dim, city, no semicolon, no formalities in VB script. Observe Mahabub, what type of variable it is? City is what type of variable?
I am not sure.
It is variant. Variant means it varies. Based on the usage of data, it treats data types internally. Suppose if you enter city equals to 100, then internally it considers the data as integer type data. Suppose after some time, if you enter city equals to Hyderabad, then internally it considers the data as string type data. Suppose after some time, if you enter city equals to 12.34, then internally it considers the data as double type data. Based on usage of the data, it will consider. It is variant. It can vary. How to know the data types in VB script using var type function, that is different. But in Java, observe, in Java, suppose if you declare like this, int a equals to 100. Next, after some time in the same program, if you enter a equals to 200, observe Chaitanya, is it correct or not?
It's correct, sir.
Correct.
Int A. Yes.
Observe this third statement. Is it correct or not? First statement correct. Third statement?
It's not correct, sir, because it's not declared in the beginning, sir.
Already declared, na?
Oh, okay, sir.
We are just changing the value. You can change the variable value n number of times throughout the program.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See, once you declared the a variable and assigned 100, then you are changing the value already declared. So it is also correct.
Okay, sir.
It is also correct. Isn't it? Why? We already declared. Suppose if you use b equal to 200 in the same program, this is incorrect. Why? We didn't declare. We didn't declare. Suppose a equals to India. This one.
It's not correct, sir.
Incorrect.
It's
A is integer data type. But in VB script, you can assign any type of value. Why? VB script doesn't support explicit declaration of data types. It is variant. But in Java, A, we declared A as integer. So, assign values only integers, not other values. Okay, na? Sita, did you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, ask me.
No, sir. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Next, Java supports explicit declaration of variables. Java supports explicit. Just a minute. Java support explicit declaration of variables. Example, int, by separating with commas, you can declare multiple variables in a statement. That we will discuss in variables chapter. A, B, C, semicolon. Next, A equals to 100. Next, C equals to 300. Next, D equals to 400. Observe the last statement, Mahabub. Is it correct?
Which one you said?
Last statement, D equals to 400.
That's not correct because we didn't declare in
We didn't declare. It is incorrect. See, explicit declaration of data types, explicit declaration of variables, both are combined but individual concepts. Suppose in VB script, VB script supports both explicit declaration and implicit declaration of variables. Means Without declaring variables also you can use them, but that is not best practice. You can use, suppose dim a comma b, no semicolon. Suppose a equals to 100. Suppose c equals to 300. Observe Kamal, last statement, c equals to 300 in VB script. Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct, sir.
It is correct only. Correct only. It is correct only. Why? Without declaration also you can use them. See, these are the important Java syntax rules. Nearly 9 Java syntax rules we discussed. Subramaniam, list out the Java syntax rules. Then we will move to next topic. Core topic, Java environment setup and verify. Subramaniam not responding. Yes.
Java is a case sensitive.
Java is a case sensitive language. Good. Next. Java is case sensitive. Difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase letters.
Yeah, class name should be the uppercase.
First letter of class name should be in uppercase, not all letters. First letter only restriction. Next, third one.
Methods should start with the lowercase.
Method name should start with lowercase. Next, fourth one.
Method name and class name should be the same. Main method name.
No. Okay, cool. Continue.
Program file. Program name.
Java program file name should exactly match with class name.
Yeah.
Next, fifth one. Important one.
Yeah, that's what. Program execute starts with the main method.
Java program execution starts from main method. This is built-in method of Java. Next, which is mandatory in every Java program. Next.
And the Java statement should be ends with semicolon.
Good. Every statement or step should end with semicolon symbol. Next, seventh one.
Conditional statements starts with the braces like what?
Not only starting, enclosed. Code blocks. Conditional blocks means if condition. Loop blocks means for loop, while loop, do while loop. Next, method blocks enclosed with curly braces. Next.
And Java supports explicit declarations of variables.
Java supports explicit declaration of data types. Next, one more. Java supports explicit declaration of variables. Okay, na?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Mahabub, any queries? Ask me. Shall we move to next topic?
You can move.
Okay. Next, important one, core topic, Java environment setup. Java environment setup and verify. Verify the environment. How to verify the environment? By writing and executing a sample test case, sample program in this scenario. By writing and executing a sample program, you can verify the environment. Next, first of all, why Java environment? In order to write and execute Java programs, then Java environment is required. Say, in order to write and execute Java programs, then Java environment is required. Observe one general point, Kamal. General point, 3 steps, 3 important steps in computer programming. 3 general point, 3 important steps in computer programming. In scripting like VB script, parallel script, only 2 important steps. But in programming like C, C++, Java, 3 important steps. First one, write a program. Write a program. Write a program in any editor. Editor required. Suppose Notepad. Notepad is one editor. Eclipse IDE having editor. Write a program in an editor. Editor example Notepad. Editor required. Next, second step, compile the program. Compile the program. Next, third step, run the program. Run the program. These are the 3 important steps in computer programming. Suppose if it is scripting language like VB script, parallel script, Python script, etc., only 2 important steps. Write a program, next run the program. No need to compile. While running the program, they automatically compile and run. But in computer programming, 3 important steps. Tell me, Mahabub, what are the 3 important steps in computer programming?
Write a program using editors.
Good.
Like Eclipse, Notepad.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to compile that program.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to run the program.
Run the program. Good. In our training program, in real time also, most of the Selenium testers use Eclipse IDE for writing and executing Selenium test cases or test scripts. First I will show Notepad also, only for basic understanding. Actually, it is not required for our Selenium testing. We use we use Eclipse IDE only. First I will show basic Notepad. Okay. Steps for writing and executing Java programs using command line interface. Steps for writing and executing Java programs using Windows command prompt, command line interface. Here first one, download and install Java software. Here Java Development Kit. It is open source. Java Development Kit. Next, set environment variable path. Set environment variable in your operating system. Variable name is path variable. If variable available, you can edit the variable. If variable is not available, just create the variable, path variable. Path variable. What is the purpose of setting environment variable? In order to access the Java software from any directory in your machine. Next, third step, write Java program. Write Java program in Notepad. Notepad is built in Windows. And save as .java. Next, fourth one, compile. Compile the Java file in Windows command line interface and run. Run means execution. These are the 4 steps. If you want to use command line interface for writing and executing Java programs. Sanjita, tell me these 4 steps, then I will show practical.
So first step is to download and install Java software.
Good.
And then second step is set environment variable. And the third step is write Java program in Notepad and then save it as .java. And the last step is compile the Java file in Windows command.
Command prompt and
Run.
Run. Good. Next, before going to discuss practical, another one. This is only in real time. Steps for writing and executing Java programs using Eclipse IDE. Steps for writing and executing Java programs using Eclipse IDE. First 2 steps common. Next, third one, write a Java program. Write a Java program in Eclipse IDE editor and run. No need to compile in Eclipse IDE. Auto compilation facility is there in Eclipse IDE. Auto compilation facility. Okay. Next, download Java software, JDK. Java has 3 types of software. One is JDK, full software, Java Development Kit. Another is JRE, only for runtime. Next, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. In our scenario, we are going to develop Java programs. We are going to develop test scripts. So, development kit required. JDK includes JRE. JRE includes JVM. JDK is full software. Download Java software from either java.com or current vendor oracle.com and install one small C. Download Java software JDK from either old vendor site. Java developed by Sun Microsystems, later acquired by oracle.com. Oracle Corporation. Java.com or oracle.com. Next, note. Java is cross-platform. It supports various operating environments. Here, download Java software based on your operating environment. Download Java software based on your operating system. Okay, na Kamal? Any confusion?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Observe Chaitanya. Launch Google search engine. JDK download oracle.com Java platform JDK latest version. Observe Chaitanya, in this latest version only available for some environments, not for all environments. Linux available, Mac available, Solaris available, Windows 64-bit available. Getting?
Sir.
But mine is Windows 10 32-bit operating system. My software is not available. Latest version is not available. Getting? Did you observe this one?
Yes, sir.
My latest version, my operating system is Windows 10 32-bit operating system. But here, Windows 10 32-bit not available. Then you type specific Java download for Windows 10 32-bit. Old version available. Here observe, accept the license agreement. Next, here Windows x86 means 32-bit. 64 means 64-bit. Observe Subramaniam, any queries?
Yes, I am following.
Here I am downloading this x86 executable file. Download. Observe left side bottom. Downloading. Just I am cancelling this download. I already downloaded.
What about below one?
Pardon?
What about below one? Below one, sir.
Below one 64.
Oh, 64.
64
No, not
bit.
this, not that one. And below there are listed out, right?
Pardon?
There are listed out in below same Windows 86 and 64. Other set of.
Other set. That format is different na. tar GZ. Where other set?
The below, yeah, below there are
this
set
one,
of
SE development kit.
yeah, yeah,
This one,
yes,
8U172 versions.
okay,
Observe, this one is 8U171. This one is 8U172. Versions different, isn't it?
yes, but we can use any of them, right?
Yes, you can use any latest one.
Okay, got it.
Just I already downloaded. Downloads. This JDK Windows i586. This is executable file. Just click this one. Click this one. Then it will start installation. Say yes, then it will install. I already installed this Java software. Installation also very easy process. Within 2 minutes you can install it. After installation, you can get Java folder in your program files in C drive. Observe this PC, next C drive, program files, Java folder. Yesterday only I installed this one, 6/8/2018. Observe Subramaniam, Java folder available now?
Yes, yes, got it.
Now conclude the steps, Sita. Conclude the steps. Download and install JDK. How to download and install JDK? Tell me the steps.
From java.com or oracle.com.
From java.com or oracle.com. Download your operating system specific.
Yeah.
It is cross-platform. Suppose if you want to use Linux, download Linux compatible Java software. If you want to use Windows, Windows compatible Java software. In Windows also, in technical orientation, we have two different types of Windows. Windows 32-bit, 64-bit. Download your operating system specific software. Suppose JDK, mine is Windows 10 32-bit. JDK Windows 10 32-bit download. You use official site. Here accept the license agreement. Next, select your operating system specific software. Click this executable file. Then it will download to your computer. After downloading, you can get executable file, not zip file, executable file. Click this executable file, then it will install. Installation also very easy. Next, after installation, confirm. Open C drive. Next, program files, Java software installed. Okay na? This step, any confusion?
No, sir.
See, after Java installation, you can get Java folder in C drive, C program files, Java. Next, set environment variable. Environment variable. Variable name is path. In order to access the Java software from any directory in our machine. This PC properties, oh, here is not showing. Okay, no problem. In this search, edit environment variable. Edit environment variables. Environment variables dialog box opened. Observe Subramaniam. Here we have two types of environment variables. User variables, first half user variables, second half system variables. System variables for all users. I am using system variables. Before that, take the Java bin directory path. Java bin directory path. This PC, C drive, program files, Java. Just a minute. Click Java. Here, JDK, JRE, two folders available. Select JDK. Select bin. Take this path, bin directory path. Files, jar files available in this. Next, select system variables. Here select path variable. In system variable, select path variable. Suppose if path variable is not available, you can create new. Okay. It is not. Just a minute. What is the problem? Edit environment variables. Select path variable. Why it is not showing edit option? It has to show this edit option. It has to show this edit option. It is not showing. Observe Sangeeta. Kamal, observe. Troubleshoot. Edit environment variables. Why it is disabled? System variables. Path variable. Some problem is there.
Sir, are you logged in as admin?
Admin only. Okay, tomorrow I will show it. Here, select path variable, then edit like this. Path, edit, here. Okay, like. Tell me, Mahbub, steps for editing environment variables. Set environment variable path. Edit. You continue, Kamal.
First go to edit environment variable. Then check on the system variables.
System variable here, path variable. It is not enabling this one. Like this, path, edit here, place the path. How to take the path? How to take the path?
First go to program files in C. Then go to Java
PC,
folder.
C drive.
Then go to
program files.
Java folder.
Java folder.
Yeah. Then select JDK.
JDK.
Then select bin.
Bin. You take this URL from this address bar and paste.
And paste in the path. Yeah.
Okay. That system variables not enabled. Some problem is there. I used user variables. What is the next step? What is the next step? Write Java program in Notepad like editor. Say, don't focus on this program. In the next class, I will explain Java program structure with a large example. Just write program. Don't focus on this syntax. Public class sample open curly brace, close. Next, Java program execution starts from main method. Main method, public static. What is the static? I will explain in Java program structure chapter. Next chapter, next class. Void main string square brackets args. Next, open curly braces, close curly braces. This is structure. Next, write one program. SYSO. Okay. Here no context help na. System dot out dot. What is system? What is out? That we will discuss in next class. Out dot println of hello Java. This is normal statement. Hello Java. Semicolon. Semicolon. Next, save. How to save, Kamal? Save as?
.java.
.java. .java. What is the program file name? .java is extension. What is the program file name?
Sample.
Sample. Why Java program file name should exactly match with class name? Okay. Save as sample.java. Sample.java.
Excuse me, sir.
The
class name sample that should be uppercase.
Yes, I forgot. Good observation. Sample is class name and .java is extension. Extension. Just a minute. save as sample.java. Notepad extension is txt. Here we are going to save as Java program file. Save. Close the file. Later you can remove this one. This is sample Java. Next, step 2. Writing program over. Next, compile the program. Compile the program. Here, observe the steps. Anyhow, it is basic. In our Selenium testing, we don't use this concept. We don't use this concept. We use Eclipse IDE. Launch the command prompt. Launch the command prompt. Next, change to Java program file directory. Java program file directory. Next, type Java C compiler, Java C for compiler, Java C. Next, file name. In our scenario, sample.java. Then what will happen? It creates Java class file. It won't provide output directly. It creates, this is just a compilation. It creates Java class file. You can execute this Java class file on same environment or other supporting environment like Linux, Mac. That is the advantage of Java, cross-platform, platform independent. It creates Java class file. Tell me, Sanjita, compile the program. Compile the program. Okay. Sita, you tell me the steps, compilation of program.
Yes, sir. First, launch the command prompt.
Launch command prompt.
Then change to Java program file directory.
Change to Java program file directory. Where it is located? On desktop.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes. And then type the Java file
Just
name.
a minute. CD desktop. Next, Java. Java. Next, sample.java. Enter. Error. Sample is public, should be declared in a file name. Observe, Kamal, errors are there. Edit. Oh, we didn't save this. Uppercase. Java sample.java. Okay, compiled. After compilation, you can get Java class file, DAR. Observe Sita, Java class file created na sample.java. Sorry,
Yes.
sample.class. Sample.class. We compiled. You can execute this sample class file in the same environment or in another environment also. Why? Compiled. Java class file created. Next step, observe the 3 steps. First, step 1, write a program. Write a program. This is step 1. Next, step 2, compile the program. Next, step 3, run the program or execute the program. Here also first 2 steps. Launch the command prompt, change to Java program file directory. Next, type small letters Java. Next, file name without extension. Just a minute. Without extension. Then it displays the output on console, Windows console. Now tell me, Mahabub, run the program. We already compiled. Run the program.
Okay. So we have to launch the CMD again.
Launch the command line interface again. Okay.
And then we have to go to the directory where the file is.
File.
The class file.
In our machine, file available in
desktop.
Okay. CD desktop. Next
you have to run that .class file, but we have to run it as Java. And only the file name.
Java is command.
Right.
File name, just a file name, no extension.
No extension, right.
Sample. Observe the output. What it is showing?
Yes. Hello Java.
Hello Java. Just a minute. Edit the program. Edit. Suppose I am adding one more statement. Hello Selenium. Save. Next, Java sample. It is not showing edited output. Why? Again you have to compile. Whenever you edit, again you have to compile. Java sample dot Java. Next, Java sample. Now observe, Mahbub. Now it is showing two outputs na. Hello Java
Yes.
and hello Selenium.
Yes.
Okay, exit. Now observe Subramaniam, raise queries. Any queries, Subramaniam?
No, good. I'm good so far.
Welcome. Next, you come Kamal. Next, B. Actually, it is only basic concept. We don't use command line prompt for our Selenium test cases. We use Selenium. We use Eclipse IDE. We use Eclipse IDE. What are the steps for Eclipse IDE? Download and install JDK, already over. Next, set environment variable path, over. Next, write a Java program in Eclipse IDE editor. Before that, you need to download na.
Yeah, we have to download Eclipse IDE.
See. Download Eclipse IDE. It is also open source. Your operating system specific. It is also platform independent. Download Eclipse IDE and extract. No need to install. No installation concept. Just extract the folder. Next, fourth one. This one. First two steps over. Download and install Java. Set environment variable path. Next, fourth one. Third one. Observe. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Observe Chaitanya. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. See, eclipseide.org, official website of Eclipse. Here, Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, Mac, Linux 32, Linux 64, Mac 32, Mac 64 available. Here, releases, different flavors of Eclipse IDE available. It is open source. Different vendors contributed for this one. All flavors are almost all common. You try to download any one flavor. I downloaded Luna package. It is simple package and flexible package. Luna. Selected Luna package. Here select Windows 32-bit. My operating system is Windows 32-bit. Suppose yours is 64. Download 64. Windows 32-bit. Windows 32-bit. Download. Left side observe. Download started. I already downloaded. After downloading, you can get zip version. Downloads. Observe. Eclipse Java Luna flavor Win32. Extract this one. Extract this one. How to extract? Extract files. Extract. Select the folder and right click. Extract files. Here I want to extract to desktop. Then OK. click OK. Then it will extract to desktop. I already extracted. Observe. After extraction, you can get this Eclipse folder. Open this Eclipse folder. Here some folders, subfolders and files available. You select this Eclipse launcher, then it will launch the Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE is launching. It has to store and maintain Java programs. That's why it is asking one folder, workspace folder. If folder not available, it will create. If folder already available, it will overwrite. Click OK. Just a minute. Delete. This is Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. I am restarting the Eclipse IDE. Okay, this is blank. Observe Mahbub, Java program hierarchy. Java program hierarchy. Create Java project. Create Java project. This is first step. One time. Suppose if you already created Java project, you can use that Java project. Next, under a Java project, create a Java project. Under this Java project, create a Java package. Next, here create Java class. Next, write Java code or Java program in the Java class and execute. Okay, now Mahbub, tell me the hierarchy of Java program, Java class, hierarchy of Java class.
The first we have to create a Java project.
Okay, one-time activity.
Yes. And another project, we have to create a package.
Good, Java package. You can create one or more Java package under a Java project. Okay.
Okay, then we have to create the Java class where we write our code.
Write Java code or program in the Java class and execute. Next, a brief introduction about Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE, open source software. Eclipse IDE is a platform to write and execute computer programs like Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, and PHP, etc. It is not only for writing and executing Java programs. We downloaded Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Others also available. Observe. Eclipse IDE is a platform to write and execute computer programs like Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, PHP, hypertext preprocessor, etc. It is not only for Java. This is first point. Next, Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE is an open source software. In our Selenium testing, we use all open source software. Java is open source, Eclipse IDE open source, TestNG, testing framework also open source. And then what is the advantage of using Eclipse IDE? It provides editor for writing programs, syntax guidance, context help, and auto compilation, etc. It provides editor for writing programs, next syntax guidance, next context help, and auto compilation, etc. This is a brief introduction about Eclipse IDE. Tell me Chaitanya, what is Eclipse IDE?
Eclipse IDE is a platform to write and execute computer programs like Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, etc.
PHP, etc.
And Eclipse IDE is an open source software. And it provides editor for writing programs, syntax guidance, context help, and auto compilation.
Yes. Editor for writing programs, syntax guidance, context help, and auto compilation, etc. Okay. Next, come Subramaniam, guide me. Write a program in Eclipse IDE and execute, Java program hierarchy. Guide me, Subramaniam. Subramaniam, if you have any interaction problem, tell me. No problem.
No, I am okay.
Okay, cool. If you are okay, then continue. First, what is the first step? Sita, what is the first step? Create a Java project, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Create a Java project. Observe, file, new, Java project. Suppose Selenium tests. Finish. Java project created. Next step. Sita, what is the next step?
Create a Java package.
First select Java project, create a Java project, create a Java package under this project. Select Java project, right click, new package. Suppose package is ABCD. Finish. Next step.
Create a Java class.
Create a Java class under this ABCD package. Select ABCD package and right click, new class, class name, suppose sample, finish, modifier by default public, leave it, finish. Okay, now write Java program. First write main method, public static void main, next string square brackets args open curly braces close. Before this, we can configure Eclipse IDE. Suppose I want to increase font size. Go to Windows, go to Window menu, Window, Preferences. Here select General, Appearance, Colors and Fonts. Here I am selecting Java editor, edit. Suppose I am using 18, regular. Okay. Next, console font. Okay, I will change console font later. Just apply. Okay. Observe Kamal, font changed na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose SYSO control space enter. Observe syntax guidance. Hello Java. Semicolon already there. No need to compile. Auto compilation. Just run. Observe this. Run. Otherwise, go to run menu. Run. Okay. Observe the output on Eclipse IDE console. Eclipse IDE console. Kamal, what is the output?
Hello Java.
Suppose I want to increase the font size of console. Go to Window menu, Preferences, here debug, console font, edit, suppose 18, okay, apply, okay. Now observe console font increased na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose add one more statement, SYSO control space, suppose hello Selenium. No need to compile, auto compilation. auto compilation. Run the program. Observe the two outputs in Eclipse IDE console. Observe Chaitanya, two outputs in Eclipse IDE console.
Yes, sir.
Hello Java, hello Selenium. Okay. Anyhow, it is one simple program. In next class, I will explain complex program. Java program structure with example. Okay. Now I am going to close the today's session. Confirm one by one. First, Kamal, any queries regarding this today's class?
No, I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Chaitanya, any queries?
Sir, I'm clear, sir.
Welcome. Mahaboob offline. Okay, Chaitanya, good. Sanjita, what about you? Any queries?
No, sir. I'm clear.
Welcome. Sita, any queries?
No, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Subramanyam.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, welcome. Okay, we will meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.